You know, it's a girl, Timar, and I'm in downtown Plaza, Belize City. As a Jamaican married to a Belizean, for my life, every day, coming to downtown Plaza, they get everything where you want. Well, and the one of the days, like I see if I can get the bleaching cream. When I get bleaching cream, yes, so I him sell my bleaching cream, but none of they are now. Yeah.
I give you no problem.
Yeah, himself not give me no problem.
Bleaching cream? Yes, I have.
You get?
Olivia?
You get? Where you get?
She give.
What? Which
Bleaching cream.
Oh, you get carrot one?
This one.
What you get?
This cream chop. This one.
is that?
No. Bottle, yeah.
I tell him some more bleaching cream for my face, and him send her for volume 40.
Now you put new 7.
You know, I want volume 40 for my ear. You don't know carrot one, the malice come by from you.
Carrot on here, right here.
You know, a soap alone.
Oh, so good.
Him not getting the bleaching cream yet. It's a black ball bleaching cream. Remember me a Jamaican, I have to bleach. So downtown Plaza, I need a selfie stick because they're holding the phone and I work out for me. The store them there, side. Oh, I in a downtown Plaza right there, so the girl made a fight over the man. Oh, I see the security guard that will shoot them out. Security! What's the security? As so much police and security guard that store, yeah? No, man. This guy. So, you know, my husband is in the city. Out there, downtown Plaza.